Hey there, and thank you for checking out my video. This is a demo of my COVID-19 Watcher application that I created using React. So essentially, when you load this app up, it will show you some statistics for the United States and a graph here. I used chart.js for this graph right here. So it should show about the last 15 days worth of data, so you can see some trends going on. Show you the total active cases, the deaths today, which do change, as soon as the API that I used does get the data, so it's actively changing throughout the day. I did also include, a state section right here where you can go through every single state or American territory. Just if you're looking at Michigan right here, no deaths reported today. Hopefully that stays that way. But it has very specific data for the state or territory. I also have a vaccine section, which has another chart in it that shows some trends over the last, I think, 15 or 20 days of vaccines administered per day. Finally, I just have a little info tab here with some, just basic stuff to take a look at for any users. So I also the code right here. So I used Redux to store all of the data that I'm pulling from disease.sh. So it's pulling all of that into the app right here using the use selector hook, and it is essentially it has different components for each of the different pages that I was showing on those different tabs, and it pushes the data that is necessary for each tab to that using props to that specific component. I got the chart.js for the vaccines over here. Overall, this was a pretty fun project to make. It was my first time really using Redux, like actually knowing what I was doing rather than following a tutorial. So it was really helpful, and I'm pretty proud that I was able to figure that out and have this show all of the data that I'm typically looking for just really quickly. So yeah, thank you so much for checking this out. If you did want to take a look at the application, there should be a link below. Thank you so much.